Now, I started my mileage tracker the second I got this instant offer. So I want to see how accurate the offers are compared to what we actually drive.
In my veins, I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame, cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed, all the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time of day it is when this video reaches for you. Welcome to or welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my office. It is Saturday, October 1st. I made it through the storm. Our area did not get hit as bad as others, thankfully. My daughter lives in Northport, which is near Fort Myers, and they got hit pretty bad. Her boyfriend, her two dogs, and her cat have been staying at my house, which isn't a huge house, but they've been staying at my house since before the storm started, and now they're going to have to be there probably for another week at least. So yeah, it's a little bit of an insanity thing. So anyways, even though we didn't get hit as bad, I have been turning on all my apps and trying to get some work in the past few days because it's been beautiful out, with no luck whatsoever. I can't pick up a block for the life of me for Amazon. They're not sending me any Walmart Spark, Shop and Delivers, nothing like that. I decided, since I couldn't get a block for this morning, Saturday morning, I was gonna go and try to do instant offers on Whole Foods. So I drove all the way to my local Whole Foods market. I sat in my little hiding spot about 8 minutes away from Whole Foods for about 30 minutes and got no instant offers. Just as I'm about to take off, I get this banging instant offer. It says $54, which is the base pay, to $89, which is their guesstimate about tips. Okay, so I could make less than that, I could make more than that, but I'm guaranteed the 54. Now for the Whole Foods, they pay $15 an hour for their base, not like with package delivery pays $18 an hour. So 54 divided by 15, that's 3.5 hours that they think it's going to take me to complete this block. Now, according to the screenshot that I took, it says it's going to take me 130 minutes to 160 minutes. So that's the minimum it's going to take me is like 2 hours and 15 minutes. And the maximum they say it's going to take me is about 3 hours. Okay, so I got a 3-hour block pretty much, but it's an instant offer. So anyways, I show up and they lock up the carriages. So, you know, that makes it difficult because I have 39 packages, which for logistics, package delivery, that would be nothing. But for grocery delivery, that's a lot. That's a lot. So, I technically need at least 3 carriages, but there is not 3 carriages for me to grab. So I go in with my 2 carriages. Now, as I'm there, another girl came in. She actually had a block, which I don't get because I've been trying to get blocks for Whole Foods for like a year now with no luck. I just don't see the blocks anymore. It's one of my reserves and I never see them. She got the block. She had 20 packages. There was another girl who had 4 packages. And here I am. I had so many packages, I had to start putting the stuff on the floor because I had no way to put it. But whatever. We got it. So the first stop is in Clearwater. But the rest of the stops, because I believe we have 7 stops, are in St. Pete. So we're going back home again. I really hope that I make more than what they say. But right now I'm 3 minutes away from the first stop. It's only 1 package. So let's do this. right, we got one down. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more to go. So the next stop is 15 minutes away to good old St. Pete. So let's go. One thing I do want to check is, according to the instant offer, it said that the 8 stops would take me 34.2 miles. Now, I started my mileage tracker the second I got this instant offer. So I want to see how accurate the offers are compared to what we actually drive. So well, that wasn't fun. I didn't miss my turn, but because of all of the construction that they're doing around this area, where the maps were telling me to go was blocked off. So now I got an extra like 7 minutes added to my route. But this stop has 5 packages. Not an apartment, so just gonna take us a little bit longer to get there. That's all. Next stop is 3 packages, 10 minutes away. Let's go. Last stop, 15 packages, 8 minutes away, and we are in the northeast, which is zone A. It's the part of my area that always floods, even in a regular rainstorm. So I see a tree down, I see a lot of debris, but it really didn't get as bad as it could have, and that's a blessing. It really is a blessing. It really is. right, we finished. We got the last stop dropped off. And according to my GPS, it says that we did 37.3 miles. And what Amazon promised was 34.3 miles. So we were off by 3 miles, and that's where that road was closed. So I can't believe it, like that they were right on with the mileage. Like I've never even thought of it. So if you do get instant offers, the mileage that they show is legit the mileage, as long as you go by Amazon's map. So that wasn't so bad. I won't know till tomorrow what we made, so I will check in with you guys then. But it is 73 degrees out. It is 9:25 a.m. and this morning is still bright and early, and it's beautiful out. So I still might be able to make that money, honey. All right, see you later. All right, so I'm just gonna jump on here and close out the video. So the original offer was from $54 to $89. We ended up making $108. So we made more than what they estimated, which is great. We got $54 in tips and $54 base pay. All right, so that would be $43.20 per hour. That's amazing, because we were out for 2.5 hours. We drove 37.3 miles. IRS mileage deduction was $23.33, which Gridwise actually tells us, so I don't even need to do any math there, but otherwise it's 62 cents a mile. And our taxable income is $84.67. 10 cents a mile for wear and tear, so it's $3.73 for wear and tear. We spent $3.72 in fuel. We have $6.48 in taxes. We deduct the taxes, the fuel, and the wear and tear from the 108, and our actual net earnings is $94.07. And so technically, if I was to divide that by the 2.5 hours, we still made $37.63 an hour. That was definitely a banging instant offer. But I was really just wanted to see if the mileage that they put on the instant offers is that the mileage that we actually drive. And my experiment proved that it is pretty much accurate. I had one little detour, which is why I drove 3 miles more than what they were offering. Totally makes sense. I hope you guys like this experiment. If there's any more experiments that you would like me to do in the near future, just let me know down in the comments below. If you like this video, just hit that like button. You know how it works. Let me and YouTube know that you like what's going on here. So yeah, I really appreciate you guys so much, more than you'll ever know. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so now, and check out these videos right here. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace out.